How to use or redeem a Google Play gift card on Brawl Stars. So if you want to use or redeem a Google Play gift card on your Brawl Stars, then first you just need to open up your Brawl Stars application. Once you're on the Brawl Stars, basically you need to go with the shop tab, and let's say I want to buy some gems. So I'll be choosing a gem. Once you've chosen, click on the gem that you would like to buy and then tap on get gems, and you will get this kind of interface where if you click on the tab, it will ask you that if you want to review and agree. So simply tap on agree, which is on the bottom of your screen, and here you will have an interface where you will have an option of add payment method, or if you've already added a payment method, then on the right side you will have an arrow. So simply tap on the arrow. Once you tap on the arrow, it will take you to the payment methods option. So simply scroll down and you will have an option of redeem code. So if you want to redeem a Google Play gift card on Brawl Stars, simply tap on redeem code, and then here it will ask you to enter the code, or you can also scan the gift card. So enter the code if you have the code, or you can simply go with scan gift card, and then you can scan the gift card and simply tap on redeem, which will be on the bottom of your screen, and in this way you'll be able to redeem a Google Play gift card on your Brawl Stars. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.